Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your HelloTalk account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up the HelloTalk application on our mobile device. Then from here we're going to be taken to a page that looks similar to this. Now you need to remember which way you logged in previously. So if you signed in with your Google, click on the Google or WeChat, and we got more login methods. So just choose the correct login method that you did previously to log in or recover your account. So basically make sure that you use the same method you use when creating the account if you can remember. If you can't remember, just go through all of these one by one. Now say for example you signed in with email, right? And you've got, so you're going to put in your email and now it's going to send you a verification code. So this is a good way to get your password resent. So you can go ahead and put in your email. So say for me, it's tutorials@gmail.com. Now, so from there, I'm going to click on the plus icon. Now that's going to send me a password or send me a confirmation code. And then from here, I'll go ahead and click on get started and then create a new password. Now, if you want to recover deleted or a banned account, we can go ahead and talk to HelloTalk support. So I'm just going to quickly run through how to do this. So basically, you want to open up a web browser, go to hellotalk.com, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to the website's footer. Then we need to go ahead and click on the Contact Us button. Then from here, we've got customer support. So we want to go ahead and email support so we can open up with our Gmail or Outlook, whatever. And then basically from here, just go ahead and put in the subject, request, recover account or something similar. And then in the body, you want to say something along the lines, hello, HelloTalk support team. I'm unable to access my HelloTalk account. I would like help recovering it. My username is, put in your username and then your registered email, your email. Please help me restore access to my account. Thank you. And then give HelloTalk 24 to 72 hours to get back to you and help recovering your account.